Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Susu Davids here, and I'll be showing you guys how to tie the AIDS GELE. Please like, share and subscribe. If you're an oldie, thank you for staying with me. I just finished making my pleats. I made 6 pleats. Make sure, as usual, you make your pleats to cover the ears of your clients or your muse. So I'll be crossing them over, the longer one downwards and the shorter one upwards. Ask your clients to please help you hold, or your assistant. I'll be making my pleats now. So after making my 3 pleats, normal pleats, I start making this pleats. I start making it like tying fan GELE. I take it small at the edge and wide at the middle. That's how it's done. Small at the edge, wide at the middle, guys. So guys, this is what I do until I'm done with this part of my GELE. I'm done with this side, then I'm done, guys. Then I maintain my 3 main pleats. I try as much as possible to make sure they are well maintained. In this other side of my client's head, I start up with my fan. Start making fan upwards. That's just how it's done, guys. Continuously do this and your AIDS GELE will be perfect. Always remember, small downwards, big at the middle. Remember that. As I usually advise you, pick out your pleats from behind perfectly. Ask your client to help you hold it, and you can tie it or twist it anyhow you want to. After tying, so you arrange your pleats, make sure it's perfect. If you notice, I'm trying to create my fan at the other side of my GELE. I'm just going to drag a bit out of the edge of the GELE. Yes, guys, we are done now. I just have to tie it again and pin it in place. If you love this video, please share, like, subscribe, help your girl get to 200 subscribers. Thank you guys for the support, for the love. I love you guys. Thank you. If you watched this part, you're an OG. Please like, share, subscribe. Love you guys.